Hi guys, it's Tonya and I'm back, period. I have a wig from you from an Amazon seller called Emocorn or Emocorn, and they sent me over a V-part body wave wig, and it's 22 inches. Excuse my son in the background. He did not take a nap today. But this is a cap construction. It comes with five clips at the top to secure the wig, some combs on the side and back, and the adjustable straps. This is like my foundation. Please excuse my braids. My daughter was practicing on my hair because I did not feel like braiding. So she did it for me. And I did leave out some hair. As I put the wig on, you will see that I put the leave out. I left too much going back. So I will have to adjust it, and I should have tucked more on the sides. But this is actually my first time wearing a V-part wig. I had no idea. I know it looks easy, but you know how things look easy, but then when you go to do them, it seems a little difficult. So this is me like attempting to apply it the first time, and as you can see, it's too far back. So I will adjust it. And but I will tell you this, guys, it's fairly easy to apply and remove. Just all you gotta do is snap the clips in, and that thing is secure. So this is me. I went ahead and parted the hair out that I wanted to pull back, and now I'm securing the sides just to move them out the way. I'm going to go ahead and attempt to apply this wig again. So this video will be going up on Monday the 27th, which is Cyber Monday. And this is the last day for their sale on Amazon. This wig will be discounted. And if you want to get it at a discounted price for under $100, go ahead and click the link in the description box. It'll take you right to the Amazon storefront where you can purchase this wig. This is a steal. It is 180 density. So that is a big steal to get this for under $180. It is great for those women who don't really like the lace. This is sort of like a quick weave look or a sew-in look without the cost and the work. And you can use it over and over again. This is human hair. It's 100% virgin human hair. And now that I have the wig secured and I applied it correctly, I'm just going to go ahead and blend my own hair. Y'all can see all them grays popping out, guys. I'm just going to take my flat iron, flatten my hair, and I'm going to attempt to curl. I usually only curl with a barrel curler, but I didn't feel like taking it out, so I went ahead and tried to curl with my flat iron. I haven't done that in so long, so I kind of forgot what I was doing and how to do it, but I did do something, as you will see. While y'all watch me struggle to curl my hair, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, then hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content and you won't miss out on any of my new videos and my new wig reviews. I also have an Instagram page where I'll post more photos, and my TikTok where I post more reels of myself in the wig and more information about the wig as well. I also sell a lot of the wigs that I review because I have no need for them anymore. You can purchase them on my website, which is 1111beauty.bigcartsell.com. The link will be down in the description box. I do sell them at a discounted price. I also sell 100% real mink lash strips like the pair I'm wearing now in the style Bonnie. That's style Bonnie. And there's plenty other styles too that will match your eyes. If you don't really care for big lashes, I have smaller lashes, more delicate lashes. So go ahead and check that out. The link will be down in the description box. But yeah, I went ahead and got this curled, and as y'all can see, I struggled. I was like, what am I doing wrong? Because I used to curl with a flat iron all the time, and now I just act like I don't know what I'm doing. But I think like towards the end, I started to be like, okay, this is how you do it. Look at me. I'm like so frustrated. But I got one side curled. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and curl the other side off camera because this was a struggle again. Then I'm gonna set it in with some Got To Be holding spray. This holding spray isn't really that great. I have to find another holding spray. So if y'all have any suggestions, please comment down below, because it don't do nothing. It don't even hold your wig on. I don't know why that's even still an option at this point. We have so many better options when it comes to lace melting spray and like just holding spray, period, because that thing does not hold on these wigs at all. It needs to be better. I do suggest that you try to curl this before you apply it in. That's just my suggestion with my experience, but it looks really good. And stay tuned for my final thoughts.
Okay guys, I'm back. I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial slash install. Well, it's really more so just an install. It ain't no tutorial. I was struggling to curl my hair. I'm not really good at curling like that. So I like synthetic wigs because they come pre-curled. But this is a human hair V-part wig from You Gray Hair on Amazon. They sent me over a 22-inch, and I struggled at first. I did. And not because it's the wig, it's just that this is my first time trying a V-part wig, and I'm actually impressed. I like it. It's easier than applying my clip-ins that I usually use when I want to do like a quick like leave out type of hairstyle. As you can see how my foundation was. In the future, I feel like I would leave out a little bit more on the sides. So I think I'll do that next time when I lay my foundation, just because my hair isn't really thick. It's I have fine hair, so when I did my leave out, I didn't take into account like covering the back, which I think it still did a good job. As somebody with a peanut head, the cap is a bit large for my head, but I make it work all the time. And it does hold a pretty curl. It curls pretty well. It holds a good curl. So yeah. Tell me what you guys think. Would you rock this? Would you not? Of course, the link will be in the description box. As I mentioned earlier, there will be Black Friday deals for this unit. They have different lengths and whatnot. So they have like, so you have like the, 14, 16, 18 inch. I got the 22, but you can get a shorter length for much cheaper. And I will put all those details in the description box below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll be posting more reels and photos of myself in the wig. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.